Hey guys, the Windy City 92. I have a quick unboxing here, so let's just get to it. Alright, so I just got back from Fry's, and it's an Eagle Arion media. It's a 2.1 soundstage speakers with subwoofer. Hopefully you guys could see here. That's a little bit better. So it's pretty much, I don't know, it's a 2.1. I just kind of wanted a nice sound system for just a little improvement for the TV. I'm gonna connect the PS3 and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. You guys can kind of, that's the subwoofer in the middle, speaker number 1, and where's speaker number 2. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get this opened. I got it from Fry's, and you know how you guys, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Fry's, but if you get things like that's been opened or returned for some reason, they do lower the price. Oops. They do lower the price for you, so I did get this a little bit cheaper than what it originally is. So let's see. I tend to trust them. I've bought open products before, and they've all worked out pretty well. Okay, actually, I gotta change the batteries really quick. Okay, so change the batteries. Okay. Alright, so what we have here, right off the bat, we get the remote control. Okay, so I'll open that in a bit. And then we have the user manual kind of deal, product overview, what it includes, how to connect it, all that good stuff. Okay, and let's get this here. It's speaker number 1. Looks pretty nice, saying that, how I said it has been opened, so I'm guessing it's either, I don't think it was used, or it was probably a return, but it looks really, really nice. We just have here the red cable to connect, so it's very, very cool. Set that aside, and here's this one. Here's the other one. This one has the white one. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. So it has here the RCA cables to a 3.5mm jack. Now let's get the subwoofer out. Okay. Set that aside. This one's really, really nice. I like this. Alright, so this is the front side of it. It is piano black finish, all right here. And then you have these two, they're kind of like screens because you'll show, because it shows in the box. Here, let me see if I can show you guys. What you'll see is like the bass volume. Whoops, sorry. You'll see the bass volume and stuff like that on both of these. So that's really cool. So you have the subwoofer right there. Oops. Okay, and here's the back side. Right there, and then you just have your power cable. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. I might set it up actually right now really quick and let you guys have like a test shoot, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so as promised, here is the test out of the speakers to let you guys hear how they sound, playing some video games or just kind of like demonstrations. So here's my setup that I have. Here's the subwoofer, here's the right speaker, and the left speaker is over there. As you can see, it's laying down on its side because the bad part is that the cable that's connected to the subwoofer is really short, and that was as far as I was able to get it. Eventually I'll probably get like extenders to connect it to the subwoofer and make it a little bit longer, because I would like to hang them on each side of the television once and get a... I just have things that I want to do to it differently, but for now this is not that bad, not too bad. So let's go ahead and I'll let you guys have a little... let you guys know how it sounds. So it's already on, as you can tell right there. You guys can zoom in here so that way you guys can kind of see what that does. It's really cool. So I have my PS3 that is going right now. So that was coming from the speakers already, so that's a big improvement than what I originally had. Here's the remote that it came with. The one thing that I noticed is that you can't really like just click and it'll go up. You kind of have to like push it down and hold it, you know, make it go up or make it don't go down. Like you can't just click it, you kind of have to press and hold. Same as the mute. This is how it looks like when it mutes, when you press mute. Okay. It goes like that, and then you unmute it. Let's see. So hopefully you can hear that clicking noise. Okay, I'll show you guys a movie, and I'll do Sherlock Holmes. Alright, so I just put in Sherlock Holmes.
Portable. Digital copy. Now, if you buy a Blu-ray or DVD that includes digital copy, all you have to do is insert the disc, transfer the movie onto your computer and favorite portable device, and then enjoy.
Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Although, throughout the course of me editing this video and kind of like testing out the speakers before I uploaded it, I ended up returning the speakers like today. The front two speakers started like just last night. I was playing Skyrim, which hopefully I'll do a review about that pretty soon. Anyways, this front speakers, they started to have like a fuzzy noise, and it ended up being that one of the wires are like cut. Like it was cut and you can see like the inside wires, you know, were poking out. I hope this video, you know, helped out for those of you who are looking for some good speakers. It was 80 watts, so I went back to Fry's and I got another one. So the new upload that I just did of this, I'll have an unboxing of the new speakers that I just got and traded it for. So anyways, I hope that this video helped out. So I guess I'll see you guys in the other video.